What if there was no music in the world? Imagine how bland the world would be. No music for working out, no music to listen to while cleaning, and no parties, because what's a party without music? If I asked you the last time you listened to music, your answer could be yesterday or an hour ago. Music is a part of our culture. It was introduced to us through lullabies and nursery rhymes, like the alphabet song. All that being said, I will be talking about how we process music, how it affects our emotions and its association with concentration. Let's start by talking about how the brain processes music. We all know the brain processes every information we take in. According to the article, Your Brain and Music, the Sound System Between Your Ears by Sean McCollum, published on September 5, 2019. Sound waves go through the outer ear, the inner ear, and is carried to the brain by neurons via the cochlear nerve system. Sound waves do not directly go to the brain. It has to go through a whole process before it reaches the brain, just like everything else in life. Life is a process. Think of how your favorite song makes you feel now. We will be moving on to music and emotions. Nikki S. Ricard and Katrina McFerrin, the authors of the 2011 book, Lifelong Engagement with Music, Benefits for Mental Health and Well-Being, believe that a significant body of literature has been devoted to the assumption that listening to particular types of music does not reflect the young person's identity, but rather encourages the young person to act in particular ways. I believe that we act the way a music sounds. If a song is slow, we could use it to slow dance, like at a wedding, for the bride and groom's dance. Now, if it was a fast song, that's the kind of song that we use in parties because it's upbeat and hyper and makes everyone happy. Now, according to the article, Does That Song Make You Sad? You're Not Alone by Leila Nargi in the March 3, 2016 issue of the Washington Post, the author reports that humans aren't the only animals that respond to music. Music reduces anxiety in shelter dogs and helps cows produce more milk. There are other forms of music, such as singing for birds, because they always do that to attract mates during mating season. There are all kinds of emotions associated with music, but there is a general understanding of happy and sad emotions. Now let's move on to music's impact on studying and concentration. Music is used as a substitute for background noise, so there isn't complete silence when reading, writing, sleeping, or generally forming ideas. According to Healthline's article, Music and Studying is Complicated, written by Crystal Rapel and published July 29, 2020, listening to music with words can be quite distracting while trying to be productive, especially if it's a song you know. Because every time I listen to music, it's mostly a song I know, so when I'm trying to read sometimes it's very hard because my brain is trying to process the music, so I just sometimes sing along or I keep dancing, which is not good. A 2011 study done by Harvard University suggests that classical music actually helps the brain absorb and interpret new material easily. According to a scientific report study, white noise enhances new word learning in healthy adults, published on October 17th. They did a number of trials with white noise and no noise groups to determine if white noise helps during activities, and it did. They found that those who used white noise actually did the activities better and faster than those who had no noise. Music is and always will be a part of our world, and we appreciate it. Now we know the impact it has on us and its benefits. Hopefully we use this wisdom wisely for better outcomes. Thank you.